Hey guys, Abby here, back in another video, and today I'm here with
me.
It's Jacob. Anyways, this is a video on how to get rare. And yeah, I'm not as smart, but Jacob over here is like a rare master. Not really. But like, here's the first tip. You should go live if you have a YouTube account. If you're watching this and you don't have a YouTube account, how are you watching this? Okay, you should go live, and eventually, if you start doing it daily, he will start loving you more, and you would be getting gifted rares. RAWRs, the beautiful RAWRs. And that's only tip 1, so yeah. Alright, tip 2. Yes, RAWRs. Okay. Tip 2 is you should go out and trade your stuff for more rare stuff. Like black longs, for instance. Like you would trade its worth, and then boom. And sometimes you can even get over trades. It's amazing. Because then you would become more RAWR. But if you only... Really? Like this, it's over trade. Now if I accept it, all your trades might be a troll. Like that. So yeah, you should always make sure, like, yeah. Okay. I don't know why I said to make sure, and I didn't say anything else. Anyways, the third tip, or was that the third tip? I don't keep up with my numbers. I think it was the third tip. Yeah. Jacob is just dancing over here. Second? No. Wait, the second one was the last one. Or are we on our fourth? Okay, I'm just gonna say third, but if I mess this up, I'm sorry. Third tip is... Okay. Third tip is you should go look on YouTube and see some giveaways. But make sure they're not scam giveaways. Because, yeah, you can get tricked into those very easily, and then you would give them all your money, and then you would be poor, and you wouldn't get any items. Bam. Okay, fourth tip is to go to wheel giveaways. And when I say wheel, just go to wheel giveaways. They say wheel giveaway my den, go to it. It's not a scam at all. It's a wheel. But, like, if you see, like, yes, wheel, that's how you spell it. But, like, if you see a person, that doesn't, say wheel on it and it says, let's give away my den, don't trust it. Because it's a scam. And how do I know that? I have no idea. Alright, this is going to be the last tip because this video is getting too long. Yes, okay. The fifth tip is to, I don't know. Try to get famous? I'm not sure. You know what? Let's just stick with the 4 tips we have because I have nothing else. Do you have anything else? Fame. I guess fame could do. No. Okay. I guess we're sticking with just 4 tips. Thank you guys so much for watching. And Jacob, do you have anything to say before we go?
No.
Okay. And yes, I'm on a call with him, so... Yeah, just don't think he's just standing here and being a stalker and looking through the window. Anyways, that's all we have to talk today. And like always, jam on, jammers, and goodbye all my little TVs.